It's a new year. Let's go over some vocabulary. Tell me some school and classroom vocabulary. School, class, classroom, teacher, student, desk, table, chair, book, pencil, notebook, school bag door, pencil case, homework, rubber, eraser, sharpener, window screen, blackboard, whiteboard, pen, marker, playground, name some clothes, shirt, t-shirt, jumper, jersey, pullover, sweater, jacket, top coat, trousers, jeans, shorts, skirt, dress, socks, shoes, trainers, head cap, scarf, gloves, mittens, pyjamas, uniform, belt, Christmas stockings, swimsuits, trunks, hairband, headband. Tell me the colors: red, yellow, pink, green, purple, orange, blue, brown, and black. Let's talk about the rooms of a house or a flat. Kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, toilet, dining room, hall, garage, garden, cellar, or basement. Let's talk about some animals: cat, dog, bird, fish, rabbit, horse, cow, sheep, pig, chicken, duck, lion, tiger, elephant, monkey, bear, wolf, fox, giraffe, zebra. Tell me the subject pronoun. You, he, she, it, we, you, they. Tell me the positive and the negative of the verb to be. I am, I'm not. You are, he isn't. She isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We are. You are, they are. Tell me something important if it's in a year. Christmas, New Year, Chinese New Year, Carnival, Ramadan, Hanukkah, Easter. Tell me some vocabulary from Christmas. Santa Claus, the three kings, tree, decorations, lights, stars, gifts, presents, reindeer, snow, snowman, snow globe, flea, candy, cane, wreath, stocking, bell, ornament, bauble, angel, nativity. Tell me the numbers 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.